Hello, welcome to this introductory clip about a lecture in my course Introduction to Austrian Economics about the purpose of the economy. What is the purpose of the economy? This we will treat, among many other aspects, in Introduction to Austrian Economics, a course at Udemy. And here we treat the essence of Austrian economics according to the foundational work of Karl Menger's Principles of Economics. Welcome. So, what is the purpose of the economy according to Karl Menger? Karl Menger explains that precaution and provision in relation to wants and needs represent the core of the economy. People are concerned for the satisfaction of their needs, and thus also about providing for their future needs and wants. So, in one sentence, the provision for future needs represents the essence of the economy. To get full access to the lecture, join the course Introduction to Austrian Economics, Principles of Austrian Economics and their application to the real world. Here is the address of the course. I'm looking forward to seeing you. Thank you very much.